Dan's new car is just arriving on the truck. We've been waiting, he's 20 minutes late. Are you excited?
Yes.
Mad.
Over there.
It's a beautiful day here in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Oh, is this it? Are you drifting a Lexus? Oh my god. This is it.
There's my car.
2017 Lexus. Dan's new drift car. You stoked on it, Dan? Oh wait, is this it? Oh, this is it. Nah, should be easy to pull out, mate. A little bit of damage up in the front corner. We're gonna take care of that though, aren't we, Dan? We've already got some parts for it. Oh yeah, should be, it'll be fine.
Have the other indicator?
Yeah, it does, yeah.
And then, right?
That's it. A little bit of drift damage from the lady that used to own this. Nissan Silvia S13. Oh yeah, she runs good, mate. The door card's missing a window winder. He didn't mention that. Mad.
Okay.
First drive of the Silvia. How's it feeling so far, Daniel?
It feels alright. He took the gear knob.
They didn't. They took the gear knob off.
Fucking buttons.
The window actuators.
That's alright.
It's a bit of a pain in the ass, but we will rebuild. And it's running a little bit rough down low. Runs fine once you give it some revs, although it is cold, and that's because it needs. Like this thing has been owned by a lady. It's like get some shit. They go so good, eh? I love it.
That's sick.
Yeah, mint. How's the gearbox feel?
Feels alright. Feels tight.
Yeah, good. One thing I really want to know is it LSD? Because there's only one way you can tell. For real though. Because it might be LSD. We don't know.
Might be.
What's this? Weird.
What is it?
I don't know. It's had little like Japanese additions into it. Go right on the street. It's fucking cool, man, eh? Once you get that Nardi and stuff on there as well. How's it all feeling like alignment wise, considering it's had a hit at the front? It's no bad?
It's a tiny bit off. It's better than my Golf, mate.
Is it?
It's turning right.
Yeah. Alright, give it heaps in first. Yeah, mint. Perfect.
This is so weird without a shift knob.
It is, eh?
Straight?
Yeah, that's my street. Oh, that's power steering fluid, eh? Turn it? Yep.
That's why it's hard on the steering.
Ah, because it needs fluid, eh?
Yeah.
Overall, how does it feel, bro? You happy?
Overall, it's sick.
And once we get all those new like guards and stuff on, she's going to be mint.
All this is coming out.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
And that.
And it needs just the biggest clean, but that's kind of satisfying in its own right.
Oh, we got some straps.
Do we? Oh, mad. It's always handy. We're here. It's time to build a drift car. Ow!